Morning guys, this is Nick from Soho Motorsports wanting to go over Reggie's 370Z that we just wrapped up. So this is the one that we've been posting the past couple of days discussing the stage 2.5 single turbo kit with the Z1 headers. And so all in all, I'll go over the whole build of this car, and do keep in mind it is still stock motor. So this car does have the stage 2.5 Soho single turbo kit with the Z1 Motorsports headers. Biggest difference that we've done to allow us to go from the stage 2 to 2.5 is we've gone from a T3 hot side housing to a T4 hot side housing to help increase power on the top end. We found on some vehicles that we were running into a limitation at certain PSI levels, and so this kit right here is for the client that wants to make great power on the stock motor and also make even better power when they go built motor. Everybody knows the limitation of these motors is going to be the torque, so keeping the torque down is a big thing in regards to having these motors survive and last for a long time. And with that being said, the way that we tuned this car, we tuned it with that in mind, to where basically we ramp the boost in and keep the torque amount low, so that way you have longevity in the stock motor. So with the fuel system, it's 1300cc injectors from Injector Dynamics. We've got the 525 Hellcat fuel pump, CJM return system, and then we've also incorporated the Zatronics flex fuel kit into this car and wired it into the Ecutech, so it allows us to determine the ethanol content whenever we're tuning the vehicle, and then the actual computer itself can compensate based off what ethanol content it sees and apply the correct amount of fueling and the correct amount of ignition timing correction as well too. So another thing that we've done on this car is the same thing that we did on the other car that we posted a couple weeks ago. We integrated the boost solenoid into the Ecutech to allow us to do boost by gear. On this car, since it does have the synchro rev, and allow us to also have multiple boost settings based off of the cruise control and the map switching. So other than that, as far as exhaust, this vehicle does have our single to dual exit exhaust. It sounds great. You've probably saw a couple of the flybys that we did at the beginning of this video. This car, like I said, does have the stock motor, stock trans. We are running a Z-Speed stage 4 clutch, nothing crazy. I mean, you can contact Joe at Z-Speed and get the same clutch. We run this clutch on a lot of our single turbo builds on stock motors. It's a nice, fun car for the fact that we're able to bring boost in, and also does have a traction control map on this car too. So it does help keep the car in line. I mean, you're still going to get it kind of squirrely if you really get on it and the tires are cold or whatnot. However, that traction control map does help to kind of minimize that happening. So I'll pan over the car so you can see the actual turbo kit, the engine bay. You can also see the underside of the car. We haven't done too many of those. However, on this one, I wanted to show you how tight everything is in regards with the hot side piping, and also see, hey, where does the downpipe meet to the catback adapter? We get asked that a lot. So you actually see that portion there, and then how that mates to the single to dual exit exhaust. So we appreciate you watching this video. If you haven't liked or subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do. We're going to be doing a lot more of these videos and basically discussing all the builds that come through here, so people do have an idea, okay, what do I need to make 600 wheel? What do I need to make 650 wheel? What do I need to make 700 wheel? And so that way we can inform a lot of our clients, hey, this is a setup that works and we know works, and that way you're not having to buy parts twice or do things twice. Once again, thanks for watching, guys. Let us know if you have any questions. Shoot us an email at info@sohomotorsports.com. Give us a call. 704-839-0435 is the phone number. Me or George will answer the phone. If you don't get a hold of us immediately, we will give you a call back or write an email back to you. And once again, thanks everybody for the support.
Thank you.